Hi guys, you ready to revolutionise your photography business? What if you could spend less time on admin and more time doing what you love, creating incredible images? Hi, my name is Kenny Martin. I'm thrilled to share how my Stratus, a powerful software package from studioplus software, can make that a reality. Now, I've been using this incredible all-in-one program for years to completely transform studios, and I'm here to show you exactly how it works. As a business consultant and mentor in the photographic industry, I help studios across the UK, Ireland and Scandinavia achieve incredible successes. The secret weapon that we all use to create this unparalleled customer journey, a seamless experience and an incredibly organised automated value chain is my Stratus. So let's dive in and let's see how this game-changing software can work for your studio. And if, by the end of this video, you're curious about how I can help your studio and workflow, please don't hesitate to get in touch. There's absolutely no obligation. So what's my Stratus all about? Well, I genuinely believe that my Stratus is the ultimate photographic package. It has totally run our studios for a long time, and it's an invaluable piece of software. It's a client-centric system, meaning that once a client is in, they're in there forever. Every single interaction, every session, every appointment, every viewing, every meeting, every invoice, every estimate, phone call, SMS, notes, questionnaires, correspondence, web forms, everything stays within that client record. Now this makes finding anything phenomenally easy. Everything's in one place, exactly how we want it. It's been the backbone of every studio that I've run for the last 20 years, and it's the backbone for all the studios in my mentoring group. Now, I'll admit, this is a big package. When people first download it, they can get absolutely befuddled. There is so much involved that it's easy to feel intimidated and confused. However, once you know how to set it up, and it doesn't take that long, the entire program becomes phenomenally simple. I truly believe that it's the most complete solution for the modern portrait studio today, and it's the linchpin for all my TCMP studios. My Stratus is a one-stop solution for your studio. It covers everything from client acquisition, data management, diary control, and all the communications, to digital workflow, a robust sales module, production management, accounts, and fantastic business reports, plus so much more. Now imagine this. You create a web form on your software. This form can be used on a mobile device, a laptop, filled in by a client at an exhibition, say, in a shop, in your studio, or even as your web contact form on your website. Can you imagine this, right? Once the client fills it in, they're automatically created on your system. They fill in the form remotely, and just a couple of minutes later, my Stratus automatically sends out a beautiful HTML message and an SMS. That SMS might say, "Thanks very much for filling in the questionnaire. We wish you the best of luck," or whatever. This is incredibly powerful. People are still standing in the exhibition hall and they get this text. But it gets even better. The system also automatically creates all the telephone calls for you. It generates calls for your telesales department or diary management department, or indeed a designated person you decide to follow up. Phenomenally powerful and all part of the process. All other communications are created as triggers at the same time. We're talking about HTML emails, SMS messages, telephone calls, all sent out completely automatically without you doing anything. It's an incredible system. Finding clients and managing sessions is a breeze. I know many studios have vastly complicated ways of trying to find a session and images like year, month, date, surname, AM, PM and so on. They'll tell me, no, it's a really good system, honestly. And then I ask, right, can you find Mrs. Jones from 2010 who got her portraits taken because she's looking to buy another picture? And then 20 minutes later, half an hour or even an hour later, they still haven't found it. Can they find a hard drive? Or they never find it. With my Stratus, we can find anybody's information within seconds. We can be looking at the client's pictures from any sessions they've had from us, every email they've ever sent, even if they've opened it. and when they've opened it, what SMSs have been sent, what appointments they've had, every payment they've made, every single thing is in that client record. Not only that, we can be looking at the actual pictures right away. It's fantastically powerful. A random system like my Stratus is far superior to those complicated naming conventions because you can search by literally anything. You can search by first name, last name, address, telephone number, email, mobile number, client status, lead source, client group, you name it. It takes literally, and I'm not kidding you, seconds. 60,000 records we had in our studio in Edinburgh, and we can be looking at somebody's pictures and all their information in literally seconds. Now let's talk about sessions, which are obviously very important in a photographic business. Now this is how to create a session on the system. After we've added them in as an actual client, you go to the diary, you select the day you want, you click new session, and a wizard will pop up. It's a wizard-based system, making it very simple to create a session. It asks you all the necessary questions, just fill in the blanks. That's it. Once a session is created, the system then automatically generates all the session folders for you in a drive that you've designated. The RAW folder, the high-res folder, JPEGs, the preview folder, small JPEGs, the rendered folder, and the retouched folder. All automatically, so you don't have to do a thing. It creates a folder with a unique session number and the last name, making everything incredibly easy to find. Then, when you import your images, it will automatically put them into the correct folder. What happens next? We can automatically then send out HTML emails and SMS messages to the client saying thanks very much for booking the session. We wish you all the best. And this is what happens next. We can also send out reminders a week before, a day before, a couple of hours before the session. And all these will include a map and final instructions, all automatically. The photographer can even print out all the session details should they wish, so they know exactly what's going on. And after the session, we can automatically send out an appointment confirmation for the viewing, which will automatically include the price list. You don't have to do anything. It's all completely automated. When it comes to image processing, this is phenomenal. When you import the images, as I've said, it will automatically create the folders and rename the files with a unique session number and their last name. And this makes everything very, very easy to find. So when creating the JPEGs for previews, it automatically generates 100% quality 72 dpi JPEGs as we're importing the images. We can use our custom presets. It's perfectly clear that Stratus uses, and our own post-production adjustments should we wish in Photoshop Lightroom. We can also do our own editing, cropping and colour adjustments, and for backup it automatically backs up all the images and creates a text document upon import, so we know exactly what's going on. The editing features within this software allow you to automatically edit, crop and adjust colours. This is absolutely phenomenal. My Stratus also includes its own sales package, which integrates with images and invoices. Now you can create invoices, order forms, delivery notes, estimates, quotations, receipts, credit notes, debit notes, statements, reports, labels, letters, emails, SMSs, messages, telephone calls, tasks, meetings, appointments, notes, correspondence and questionnaires. Phenomenal. You can also create slideshow presentations, multi-image montages in real time, framed images, rooms, sets and albums. Clients can see actual sizes on the screen and you can change frame and mount colours in real time in front of the customer. It supports custom frames, mounts, albums and room sets, and you can crop and edit images directly within the software and easily add products and pricing to the order form, including discounts. You can create invoices and image detail sheets, and you can take payments through global payments should you wish. Now the invoice and image detail sheets get automatically sent to that customer as well. Once an invoice is saved, by the way, the system will then go and redevelop the images that have been ordered at a larger size, creating a production order for the lab and your production department. It can automatically update the customer on the progress of their order via email and SMS, and notify them when the work is ready for collection. Again, automatically via email and SMS. The trigger system in Stratus is so powerful. You can trigger virtually anything in the system. HTML emails, SMS messages, tasks, telephone calls, web forms, questionnaires, production orders, even printed letters, anything you can possibly think of. You can also create your own custom triggers, custom HTML emails, custom SMS messages, custom tasks, custom telephone calls, and custom web forms. In fact, you can do custom anything that you want. It's incredibly powerful. It features a multi-view calendar, mobile syncing, there is an app, online bookings, a referral system, payment plans, order tracking, technical assistance, estimates. My Stratus also integrates with lots and lots of stuff like Google Calendar, QuickBooks, Global Payments, Photoshop, Lightroom, even ProSelect and Microsoft Office. It's international, meaning it works with any currency, any date format and any language. Bulk emails, bulk SMS, a time clock, mobile apps, web access, and it exports to Excel. It truly does everything. It's just an amazing system, and I would not be without it. I would recommend it to anyone. And if you want to get in touch with me, please give me a wee call. Visit my website at thestudiodoctor.co.uk and please get in touch. You can also visit the StudioPlus software website as well. I will put a link in the description down below. Guys, it's an astonishing system. That's just some of the stuff that it can do. There is an awful lot more. Please, if you're interested in talking more, just get in touch and we'll see how we can help you. Thanks a lot, guys. My name's been Kenny Martin. Subscribe to the channel if you would, I'd appreciate that. And also sign up to my business community using the link below as well. Thanks very much, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.